Friends, welcome to today's session on an important concept. Under the Income Tax Act 1961, Heads of Income. Under the Income Tax Act, every taxable income is classified into specific categories known as heads of income. This classification helps determine the correct method of computation, applicable deductions, and tax liability. Understanding these heads is essential for accurate tax calculation and proper filing of income tax returns. In today's session, we will discuss all five heads of income, along with examples for better understanding. The five heads of income are income from salary, income from house property, profits and gains of business or profession, PGBP, capital gains, income from other sources. The Act divides income into five categories, mainly for proper tax calculation. Why is this necessary? Because salary income is taxed differently from rent or capital gains. Each category has its own provisions. It ensures correct taxation and compliance. The first head is income from salary. It covers all payments received by an employee from an employer, such as wages, pension, gratuity, commissions, and perquisites. The employer-employee relationship is essential here. This head is governed by sections 15 to 17. The second head is income from house property. If a person owns a house or building and earns rent from it, that income is taxed here. Even self-occupied property is covered for tax purposes under special rules. Sections 22 to 27 govern this head. The third head is profits and gains of business or profession, commonly called PGBP. It includes income from business activities or professional services. The fourth head is capital gains, which arises when capital assets like property, gold, mutual funds, or shares are sold at profit. The fifth and final head is income from other sources. It acts as a residual category. If income cannot be classified under salary, house property, business, profession, or capital gains, it is taxed here. Common examples are FD interest, gifts, lottery income, and similar receipts. Let's understand through examples. Interest on fixed deposit falls under other sources. Profit from sale of shares is capital gains. Examiner remuneration is generally other sources. Professional income of a lawyer falls under PGBP. Rent from letting out a flat is taxable under house property. These examples help us identify the correct head in practical situations. Finally, all five heads are added together to arrive at gross total income. Then deductions under Chapter 6A, such as sections 80C to 80U, are reduced. The result is total income, on which tax is calculated. So understanding heads of income is the foundation of accurate tax computation and return filing. Thanks for watching.